How to apply sunlight on the rendering. First, we're going to click on Visualize. Then on Visualize, we're going to come here and we select that menu drop down, and we're going to pick the ground shadows. Then, just before we apply the sun status, I'm just going to render it so that I can show you the difference. So I'm just going to click on the render. So as you can see, this render shows that these two spheres have the shadow, one in the bottom and one on this wall here, which means the lights are directing one from this direction and the other one from this direction. That's why the shadow is going to be the opposite side of the object, the spheres, as well as the cuboid here. This is without applying the sunlight for the render. Now if I just click on the sun status and click on render, you can see that the shadow is changed. So in this render, we're going to have the sun directing from up to down. So we're going to have only one shadow, as opposed to the render without the sunlight, which is going to be the artificial lighting. Bear in mind that if you come here and click on this icon, you can set the date and the time for the sunlight too. So for example, if I set the time, let's say in the morning, 8:49, and the date I'm going to change it to 21st May 2020. If we render that, you can see that the shadow is covering almost all over the sphere shape, so which means the sun is there. Sunlight is coming from this direction to here. So basically from top right to left to bottom left. But if I change that from 8:49 a.m. to, let's say, 2:34 p.m. and render that, you can see that now the shadow is here. So the sun is here, and the direction of the sunlight is going from top left to bottom right in this render picture. So this is how you can edit the sunlight date and the time as well. That's it.